Hey guys, quick video for you. If you got Danby dehumidifier and you're looking for how you can reset it, so a simple way how you can reset the humidifier is that you are going to plug it out completely. So plug it out for like 1 hour and then plug it back in. This is the dehumidifier way on how you can reset it. I also like even checked it by multiple people here. I called Danby and text suggest factory reset, turn off the unit and plug it for an hour. And this is something how you can reset it. I hope it helped you, and then just let me know in 1 hour if it's going to actually help and fix the issue for you. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.